children, welcome back to Gurudeva Online 6th Standard Mathematics class. I am Niranjan HM, 9th period, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Quadrilateral has discussed on last session, and also we have noticed examples of quadrilateral and also properties of quadrilateral. I mean rectangle, rhombus, okay, and so on. Dear children, let us discuss about polygons, examples of polygons, definition of polygons, and also exercise 5.8. Okay, let us solve exercise 5.8. Dear children, we have discussed about, we know very well about the definition of polygons in the last chapter, basic geometrical identities. Let us recall the definition of polygon. Very important definition, the polygon. Dear children, you should know the closed picture, difference between the closed picture and also open picture. Okay, the closed picture, open picture. See, the polygon is a closed figure consisting of a set of line segments connected such that no two segments cross. Polygon is one of the closed figure consisting of set of line segments connected such that no segments cross. This is the polygon. Dear children, see, the triangle is a polygon. Triangle is one of the closed figure consisting of line segments and no line segments cross each other. So this is the best example of triangle, is the best example of polygon. This is the definition of polygon. Once again, polygon is a closed picture. It is consisting of line segments and, very important point, no line segments cross each other. Okay, this is the definition of polygon. Dear children, we have noticed number of polygons depends on the sides. Okay, depends on the sides. If 3 sides, we call as triangle. Triangle is a polygon. Okay, 4 sides, we call as quadrilateral. Okay, if 5 sides, pentagon. See, in the American DC, we call as a pentagon. American DC Center, we call as a pentagon because I have given a reason. So the shape of the building is 5 sides. So that's why they called as pentagon. Okay, Choto, 5 sides, pentagon. 4 sides, quadrilateral. 3 sides, triangle. What about 6 sides? Yes. Let us observe a slide now. Observe a slide. 6 sides. The 6 sides called hexagon. Okay. 6 sides called hexagon. 7 sides heptagon. 9 sides nonagon. 10 sides decagon. Okay, and so on. This is the small slide of see the polygons. Okay, Chotu. See, this is the shape of triangle. Give me example of polygon. Yes, triangle is the example of polygon. Okay, less than 2 line segments, it is not possible to form a polygon because less than 2 line segments, it's not possible to form a closed picture. So it's not possible to form a polygon. So the polygon starts from 3 line segments. Okay, Chotu, the triangle is a polygon. Quadrilateral, dear Chotu, this is the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon and also pentagon. Observe here. Home picture. Okay. So while you are drawing a picture, see, this is the pentagon. How many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 line segment. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 line segments. This is 5 line segment. Okay, hexagon. Hexagon, observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 line segment. This is shape of hexagon. These are examples of polygons. Okay, Choto? Yes. The polygons we can observe in constructions. For example, triangle. Triangle is used, the shape of the triangle is used in the construction of buildings, construction of bridges. Okay. And also B, the house of B is pentagon shape. Where is pentagon? See, the pentagon, hexagon shape. House of B, hexagon shape. It's very useful. We have observed in our nature, we have observed in our society. Dear children, let us solve the examples of 5.8. Once again, I forget to say the points. Doors, windows. Okay, those are all the examples of, we are going to use the shape of polygons. Clear, Choto? Yes. Let us solve the example, exercise 5.8. First one, examine whether the followings are polygons. If any one of them is not, say why. Dear children, page number 108. There are 4 pictures. Let us find out whether polygon or not. If not, we need to give a reason why it is not a polygon. Dear children, first picture. Okay, first picture is not a polygon because it is open figure. Clear? The polygon, the concept of polygon is closed figure. The first step is closed figure. And second step is the polygon should not cross each other. I mean the line segments should not cross each other. And third point is I'm explaining about concept of polygon. Okay. And third point is those polygons should uses the line segments, not curved lines. These are all the very specific important points about polygons. See, as we observe the picture number 1, it is an open picture. Finally we came to know that it is not a polygon. Yes, let us write, no, it is not a polygon. Why it is not polygon? Because it is open picture. It is open picture or open figure. Clear? Second one. Observe picture number 2. It is polygon because no curved line and also it is not an open picture. And also no line segments crossed each other. So it is a polygon. So just you may write yes. Yes indicates yes, it is a polygon. Okay, children, third picture. Just observe the third picture. The third picture is not a polygon because it is made up of, it is not made up of line segment. The concept of polygon, the polygon must form by line segments, but it is not formed by line segments. So this is the very valid reason. Dear children, third picture. No, it is not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments. Line segments. Okay, third picture clear. Fourth picture. Dear children, observe very carefully fourth picture. Fourth picture is not a polygon because one of the two are line segments, one is curved edge. So in the given picture, one is curved edge. So it is not a polygon because the one of the edge is made by curve. No, because one edge is curved. One edge is curved. Clear? So this is exercise 5.8, first main, 4 sub questions. This is belongs to notes. See, I have marked on the board. This is belongs to notes. Draw a first picture and below the picture write a reason. Draw a second picture, below the picture write a reason. Okay, clear? Yes. Let us all of you move. Second question. Name each polygon. Yes, there are 4 sub questions. Let us find out name of the polygon. So the polygon is made a group according to the sides, isn't it? 3 line segments, triangle. 4 line segments, quadrilateral. 5 line segments, pentagon. 6 line segments, hexagon. As the same way, let us find out what is the name of the polygon. These 4 also polygon. Okay. Yes. Dear children, the first picture. How many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe here. The first picture is like this. How many line segments? We need to find out a number of line segments while we are finding a polygon. Name of the polygon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 line segments. If 4 line segments, we call it as quadrilateral. Okay. second main belongs to nodes. Write first one, I mean first question, first picture, below the picture or right side of the picture you may write name of the polygon. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, this is the picture number 1. Picture number 2. Dear children, observe here. How many line segments? 1, 2, 3. 3 line segments called triangle. Triangle is a polygon. Triangle. Okay, picture number 2 clear. Picture number 3. Yes, this is the picture number 3. How many line segments? Observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 line segments called pentagon. Pentagon. Okay. 5 line segments. Pentagon. Dear children, next one is D. Question number D. Is the question number D is called octagon. Okay. Question number D is octagon. Octagon. Okay. This is question number first and question number second. Dear children, in the next slide, let us discuss about question number 3. Page number 108. Question number 3. Draw a rough sketch of a rectangular hexagon connecting any 3 of its vertices. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of the triangle you have drawn. This is the question number 3. Dear children, just observe on the board. Dear children, take a scale and draw a line. Please follow my instructions. Okay, draw a line and mark out the middle point. Take a protractor. Dear children, it is fiber protractor. This is wooden protractor. You may choose anyone. I'll choose fiber protractor. Dear children, see in your compass box there is a protractor. Use smaller one. This is for teaching. Okay. Here is a middle point. Just you may coincide middle point with which we have marked on the line. That point. Okay. From here to right side. Okay. Up to 60 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Dear children, here is 60 degree. And one important point, here is 180 degree, 170 degree, 160 degree, 150 degree. Don't choose in that particular scale. You must choose from 0 to something. Okay, 0 to 60 degree. Just to mark out 60 degree, just take a protractor, take a scale, draw a line. This line must pass through the center of the line. Okay, center of the point. From this point and also this point. Observe here. And also extend a line. Clear? Yes. Once again, take a protractor. From here to this, consider as this line, main line. Dear children, here is a middle point. Middle point. Just to my mark from this point. Middle point. It should be straight. Okay. See, it should be, the 0 should be coincide with end of the line, and also this middle point, this point must be coincide with middle point. Dear children, now once again it starts from 0 to 60 degree. Mark out 60 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here is 60 degree. Okay. Just take a scale. This point, use this point and also middle point. Draw a line. Extend a line. Yes. See, what is our question? Dear children, our question is to draw a hexagon. Hexagon. Observe here. Next level is from middle point to something. You may take 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter as your wish. I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll take 5 centimeter. You may take 6 centimeter. From 8 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 5 centimeter. Once again, mark out the 5 centimeter. Then 5 centimeter. Next 5 centimeter. Next 5 centimeter. Okay. Next, join a line segments. Join these 2 points, you'll get a line segment. Here is yes, we got hexagon. Dear children, erase extended line. By help of eraser, okay? See, hexagon. See, hexagon, find line segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is shape of hexagon. Clear, dear children? Let us move to next question. Question number 4. Draw a rough sketch of rectangular octagon. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of the octagon. Dear children, observe very carefully on the board and draw as it is. Okay. Use a protractor and also scale, pencil, eraser. Be careful while you are drawing a picture. Take a scale, ruler, draw a line. Okay, draw a line. Next, once again, perpendicular line. Standing line. Okay. Perpendicular line. This is the center of the point. Okay. Dear children, next take a protractor from this line. Here is a middle point. Make it coincide. Yes, middle point. Your protractor should be like straight line. It should not like this. Clear? It should not like this. Your protractor should be on the line. And middle point should coincide. Clear, Chotu? Observe here. Observe your red line. Observe my line. Okay. From here to 45 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5. See, here is 45. Observe here. Here is 45. Mark out. Take a ruler and draw a straight line. This line must be passes through the center of the point. This point. Okay, next, take a protractor. You may consider as this line. Okay, perpendicular line, not this line, this perpendicular line. Observe my instructions and just complete your work. This is the middle point. Like this. Okay, the first step is this is. Second step is this is. Dear children, middle point. Okay, middle point and observe this line. From here to once again 45 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Here you see, observe here 45. 45 degree. Take a ruler. Here is middle point. Please concentrate well. Middle point. Draw a line segment. Yes. Next. You may choose 5 centimeter line segments or 6 centimeter as your wish. I'll choose 5 centimeter. Okay, I'll choose 5 centimeter. Next, from middle point. Okay, from middle point to 5 centimeter. You may choose 6 centimeter or 4 centimeter or 7 centimeter as you wish. Okay, dear children, finally you correct the line segments. I mean these 2 points. Observe very carefully and follow instruction. You will get a proper picture. Yes. Erase the extended lines. Okay. This is the regular octagon. This is the regular octagon. Okay, let us move next question. Last question. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of the polygon and it is not a side of the polygon. Draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonals. Observable. Rough sketch of pentagon, base. Okay, pentagon, 5 line segments. Okay, 5 line segments. Please keep in mind. This is the rough sketch. Okay, not exact measurement. Yes, draw line segments. These 2. Okay, this is rough sketch of pentagon. See what we need to do? We need to draw a diagonals. Okay, dear children, diagonals by the help of the ruler from here to here. Next here to here. Next from here to here. Here to here. Next, finally, these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Clear? This is the answer of question number 5. So we have completed the rough sketch of pentagon, and also we have do a diagonals. Yes, this is all about today's class, exercise 5.8 about polygons. Dear children, I will meet you with a new content, that is 3-dimensional shapes, in the next classes. Until practice these problems, which we have solved, which we have drawn on the board, please draw once again in the rough pages. It helps a lot, and also you become practice. Until, have a nice day. Dear children, please complete your notes right now. Until it's too difficult to manage the classes. Okay, please complete your notes up to this period. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.